passionjava is back nedzimwe news ari kuti iye akamboenda kudenga.
That was the first time I went to.
Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Vanhu vakawanda vangoti uyu mukomana uyu ndiMadungwe wekuBorodeo. Taingoti Madungwe ndiye ega ka anomboenda kudenga, but passionjava ari kuti akatomboendako, but he is saying he's been there countless times and anoenda iye neangel yake. Kuma prophets emazano akaita sei kokungotaura kuti iwewe you are a messenger of God, not kuti unotomboenda kudenga. Recently takatombotaura zvakare yaya makandiwa achiti iye is more gifted than God. Chiko chiri kumboitika mumastreets umo zvakaoma. After he confessed kuenda kudenga, anozotaura iye kuti haakwanise kuresista zvakare mababy nekuti iye saprophet anoedzwa chero mucheche make chaimo. Ndiye munhu anoenda kudenga iye anokonewa kukurira matemptation. Zvinhu zvacho zvinzwire vachizvitaurira vega.
Then my angel took my hand. I have an angel known as laspentenious. Laspentenious.
Laspentenious. That's the name of prophet's angel. Okay, we are learning. I'm following.
You're not believing. But the angel took hold of my hand. Then we started going up. I'm seeing what's happening in the neighborhood, but we are moving.
But you are
fast. We are ascending to heaven. Then we passed the clouds, we passed places, then we got a gate. So the funny part was, and when we saw a wall, a fence and stuff, then we saw a gate. In heaven, there was just a big gate. There was no wall, there was nothing. But it's a place that you couldn't penetrate. So my angel left me and went and spoke to the angels that were by the gate. Then the gates were open. Then we moved into heaven, me and my angel.
It's like a movie.
And then great things happened. Then I came back in my body.
So you went to heaven?
Yes. That was the first time I went to heaven.